Welcome to Best Buy New Invention Gadgets. Today video. Battery drain test for Ulefone Power Armor 13. The battery capacity of the Ulefone Power Armor 13 is large enough, 13.200 mAh. But as people use mobile phones more and more often, people are extremely concerned about battery life, even when using a rugged phone with amazing battery capacity. In this video, 2% battery drain after 1 hour of music online play, 2% battery drain after 1 hour of video online play, and about 6% battery drain for 1 hour of FHD video recording. What's more, even after an hour of continuous gameplay, it uses only 5% of the battery, and 3% of the battery consumption for 30 minutes of PTT calling. The end of the video shows only 18% of the total battery drain for 4.5 hours of continuous use. And based on this data, Ulefone Power Armor 13 uses a full day from morning to evening, no matter how intensive you use.